wonderful expedition.
Okay, now notice that no one ever says shit. They're going to ask just lob questions.
Derek,
What's it like to be in
fourth grader from
space?
Wesley Elementary School asks, how long will astronauts be on the surface of the moon during the Artemis missions?
How about what the hell are you going to be doing on there, like specifically?
I like that question because I think you'll find the answer really cool. Artemis
They never
is
say
going
fucking
to
shit,
stay.
ever.
The administrator talked a little bit about the infrastructure we're building to make that happen.
Infrastructure,
But
science.
I do not see this moon up here all day and want to walk all over it.
Okay, what exactly are you doing there? Why are you going?
To the surface and back.
Why are you taking my money? Shut
It's
up.
an outpost that also provides the stepping stone to get us to Mars.
I swear to God, I'm going to punch this expensive ass TV if they...
Sustainable infrastructure.
What's it like to be
make
in
that happen.
space?
And that should be really cool. But it's not going to be easy. It's going to take two things. It's going to take a lot of hard work and the things that your teachers talk about.
Say something with substance.
Science, technology,
What are you
engineering,
doing with our fucking money, you fuck?
Americans and international partners in those fields working hard together to reach those goals.
What goals?
Will tell the same story that NASA has told for decades.
What story?
We work hard, we achieve new heights and new goals.
What goals?
Develop new solutions, new technology.
Weightless cabbage, you fucking lying fuck.
The second part is we need the resources, and we make a really cool team when we put these two things together.
Resources is our tax money, you lying
Resources
piece of
from
fucking
all
mason
officials.
shit.
We come together and we achieve these new goals.
What goals? What are you doing? What are we doing there? What have you ever achieved by going to
I
space?
have goosebumps thinking about walking around on this thing.
Look at these pompous fucking pricks.
For you. This is exciting for you because if I stood up here right now and told you we were only going to go for
Hey!
a couple of days, you're in 4th grade and you'd miss it. But what I'm telling you is we're going to stay.
My
And
point
what that
is,
means
they
after
never
you work hard at
say
school, you're gonna
anything.
join us on the moon
Ever.
and join us on Mars.
We're going to Mars because we accomplished so much on the ISS and then the moon. What did we discover? What have we done? We haven't done anything. How is your life better off today than it would have been if we never did weightless cabbage and science? What's it like to be in space? Here we go.
Wants to know, was there ever a time you doubted yourselves? Take that one. Is there ever a time you doubted yourselves? And if you say no, well, Matthew probably would say no. Nobody else would say no.
Was there ever a time you doubted yourself? You see how stupid these fuckers are?
So, how did you...
And even worse, how stupid they think we are. Is there ever a time you doubted yourself? How about where the fuck is the goddamn $56 million a day going? What do you do? How much do you make?
It is very human.
Are you a Freemason?
Yourself. The greatest.
Do you have a secret handshake?
When I showed up to SEAL training.
Do you train underwater?
What it took to become a Navy SEAL. But because of my teammates.
Okay, so another thing that you need to understand, every one of these astronauts are they're military, all of them. They don't have a choice. So you can have that brother or that uncle that works at NASA that says it's just like saying I have that brother that went overseas to war and did something he knew he shouldn't have done. But you are property of the government. Been there. And so what you have to understand, I mean, literally, someone please find me a question that means something. Everything is, what's it like to be in space? Did you ever, why did you want to be an astronaut? Fucking ask him something like, seriously, why do we need weightless cabbage? Why?
So when we were...
You ever seen a hardball question asked of an astronaut?
He made a metaphor that if you see a turtle on a fence post, you know it didn't get there by itself. And that's what we are here today.
So my point is, they never do anything. I've never even heard an astronaut say anything remotely smart. So, I mean, really, go find a good question. Like, seriously, what are you doing up there? What are you doing up in space that we cannot do here on Earth? and they would shit their pants. They wouldn't even have an answer. Don Pettit is literally a fucking retard. All right, let's see what he's going to ask here. Volume.
Your family's been with your plans. Are they supportive? They're all here, so you know.
This you get to ask people that have been to space, a place you'll never go, and these are the kind of questions they're really asking. Fuck you. No, it's not. That's not what you ask.
Multi-part question.
You ask questions like, why does your blood not boil when water boils at room temperature at a vacuum? How does that happen? How do you get your spacesuit at 3/16 that is sewn together, 3/16 inch width that is sewn together? How do you do that? How bright is the moon actually when you're on the surface using just your f-stop on your camera and regular film? How did you get through the Van Allen belts the first time? You fucking liars. Fuck you.